Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
I want you to stop whatever you're doing and give this video your undivided attention.
I received a payment this morning for $1,607.85.
Who's watching this? Whoever you are, check it out now. I now make over $4,000 a week. I just can't believe it.
But now here I am 3 months later and I'm still able to support my wife. And I haven't even bothered to find a new job yet. So, I don't think I'm going to need a new job because things are working out pretty good here. So anyway, just wanted to thank you. You've really changed my life. You've changed things around for me.
Hi, it's Megan. Whoa, I'm a tiny bit nervous right now. I've never recorded myself on video before. First things first, let me say that I have never earned a single penny online before using this system. So today, I actually got paid $1,117.79.
Look here, obviously, I can't afford to give everyone on the internet $1,000 just for watching this short video. So that's why this video is reserved only for a handful of exclusive people today on a first-come, first-served basis. And it will be taken down at midnight on the date above this video. I'm guessing a friend sent you here, or someone owes you. I doubt you stumbled on this page by pure luck. You see, today you are about to get paid. Today could possibly be the luckiest day of your life. I'll explain in a second. But first, I want to share my screen with you. All right, this is one of my personal bank accounts. Oh, by the way, this video is private and confidential. I don't want you sharing it with anyone. In case you were wondering, that's me, Megan Harper, and I am so happy you are here today.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.